Traffic coming up. Boom. Boom. The new Maximilian Verstappen. Or maybe Alexa Albon. Good afternoon. I'm here at Mega Bangna, and now I am going through the Mega Park. This is recently been opened, and it's a very nice landscape. Yeah, park full of gadgets. Quite impressive. So I just had a look at it, and there's it's a very nice place to relax a little bit, especially when you're shopping. There's some training facilities here. If you want to practice your parkour, so let's go and have a look upstairs. Yeah, let's have a walk through it. It's always nice to discover these new places. It's a 5:15. The sunset is starting. It almost looks like a skywalk. As you guys know, I love skywalks, so I am in my element. Yeah, it's very meticulous designed. So you have a running path. Yeah, this is all part of the Mega Bangna Mall. Yeah, of course, this is a perfect space if you want to go skating or skateboarding. Or if you want to walk through the canopy, you have this skywalk. Maybe we can do some bird watching. Yeah, this is also a perfect Instagram place, right? I mean, you have all these nice little corners where you can make a nice picture. And there's a tree house. I mean, this is ideal for kids. They will love it. Okay, let's go down. I hope you guys don't get dizzy. It's funny how they created this kind of outdoor atmosphere in the middle of this concrete mall, you could say. But I like it. They did a good job. It's very nice. Yeah, so if you are shopping with the family, this is perfect to come and bring the kids here. Traffic coming up. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The new Maximilian Verstappen, or maybe Alexa Albon. Cool. So I'm gonna finish my update here about the Mega Park. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe and smash the like button, please. And hope to see you guys in my next video.